infrastructure development. The road in this town is being roads in this town are being constructed, widely. What do you have to say about this?
Well, again, I just have to thank the governor. Ikere Ilawe is under construction. Ikere Baraudo is under construction. Ikere Ise is under construction. Ado Ikere Akure is under construction. In addition, one of our farmstead, Omola, is under construction to be tarred, and so many. So we just have to thank the governor. Moshood Road, that place was awarded, I think 3 times, even before I ascended the throne. Now it's a motorable place. Well, see, so you join me to thank the governor, and we will not disappoint you. We will take care, we will maintain all these things. So, Mr. Governor, we thank you, and I thank you also for
Thank you, sir.